Classify as an empty or singleton set. So a set is given, we have to classify it as it is empty set or a singleton set. Empty set means when there is no element in it, it is empty. If you have one element in that, it is said to be singleton. Let's see this example that you have a set A, x such that x belongs to integer, x plus 1 is 0. First, x belongs to integer. What does this mean? That x is equal to integer means it includes 0. It includes all the positive numbers and it also includes all the negative numbers. Goes to infinity. That is integer. So first write down all the value of x which is given here. Second, the next part it is given that x plus 1 should be equal to 0. So the value of x, from here we have to take value of x and check that which number we are going to put here. So that answer should always get 0. Let's start. We have taken minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1. What is minus 2 plus 1? It is minus 1, which is not equal to 0. So that number is not satisfied. It's not equal to 0. See the next, minus 1. Try for this. If you have in the place of x, put there minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1, it becomes 0. So it satisfies the equation which is given. That if you put here minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. That means we got one element at least now which satisfies the given equation. Let's see if you have put 0 also. 0 plus 1, it will be 1. So it does not satisfy. If you see 0, the place of x if you are putting 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. Still it does not satisfy the equation. 1, if you take 1 plus 1, it will become 2. And other rest of the number, no other number will satisfy. Only minus 1, if you put in the set, that is in the place of x, it will give you 0. So this is in the property method. We have written in the listing method. And it shows that this is a singleton set because it has only one element. Only one element can satisfy this equation. So it can include only minus 1. Second question, the same thing. To check it, is it a singleton set or empty set? Divide again into two different parts as we understand that x such that x belongs to natural number. X belongs to natural number are 1, 2, 3 and it goes on. Natural number starts from 1. You have to prove that x square minus 1 is equal to 0. That means in the place of x, you have to put different numbers of x from here. Because x is natural number, starts from 1. We have to take different numbers from here and put here. First is if you take 1. So 1 square minus 1, that is 1 square is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, which is equal to that. So that shows first element which is there in our set B is 1. Try for the second one. If you are taking in place of 1, if you are taking 2. So take 2. 2 square minus 1. That is 4 minus 1, it's become 3, which is not equal to 0. It is not equal to 0. 3 is not equal to 0. Altogether, we cannot take the two element. Even 3 will be the same way. So finally, it is understood that as we go 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you'll find the answers will be greater than 0. So only 1 is a number which we put here. 1 square becomes 0. So this set is again said to be singleton set. Set C is given here. X such that x belongs to natural number. X is a prime number between 13 and 17. So x is a natural number. That means it should not include any negative integers. Only positive till infinity. And it should be prime number. And which prime number? It should be between 13 and 17. So let's write the number. Include 13 also. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. They have already told you it should be the number between 13 and 17, that is 14, 15 and 16. And if you see 14, 15, 16, all of them are composite number, not prime number. So you don't have any number between 13 and 17 which is prime number. So the set C is empty set, or you can write like this, both of them are representing empty set.